One of the action movie I anticipated to watch this week on Netflix was the movie The Old Guard starring Charlize Theron. The Old Guard is an action film directed by Gina Prince Bythewood and written by Greg Rucka, based on his comic of the same name, starring Charlize Theron, Kiki Lane, Harry Edward Milling. This movie focuses on a group of immortal mercenaries whose identities are exposed, and shortly after that they are allotted of another immortal human existence in the world, whom they have to find and help her to hide her identity from the world. How the immortals, after their identity exposed, manage to take revenge and keep their identity hidden. The history of the immortals is the whole premise of this movie. Before I begin my review, I want to clear that I haven't read the comic and my review is based upon the movie only. Without any further ado, let's get right into the review, discussing good and bad aspects of this movie so you can decide, is this movie worth your time or not. There is no doubt that the action in this movie is good. The fight sequences are well choreographed. The actors and the stunt people has done a very commendable job in the fight sequences. In this movie, they give the context of different characters, but the context is given too little that we cannot really connect with the characters. This movie is forward moving, so we are mainly shown events of the present only. We are only shown the glimpse of their past and not how the immortals came here in the first place, which we wonder throughout the movie. After 20 minutes in the movie, we are introduced with a new immortal character who doesn't know the ability and power of her, so she asks many questions. Through her questions, we get to know the characters about their abilities, rules of the immortals, even though the rules are stated but they are not properly defined. Introducing a new character and making her bridge between other characters and the audience was a good decision taken by the creators. Many songs are used throughout the movie. The songs are not bad, but some songs has lyrics. As we are watching the movie, when the songs begin with the lyrics, it becomes distracting many times, and some songs could have been avoided. Now, the main problem of this movie, the antagonist. Harry Edward Milling has done a very good job in doing what was given to him, but the antagonist could have been made more witty, greedy and bad. This character is very poorly written in this whole movie. We don't become afraid or fear the character, but the character feels cartoonish. So comment below if you are going to watch it or already watched it and what you think of this movie, and tell me if you have read the comic. Did the movie reached to your expectation or not? And hit the like button if you liked the video, and subscribe if you are into this kind of stuff. That's it for today. See you in the next one.